How's it going, everybody? Should be assignment 3 that we're working on, or Gmetrix practice. Some tools that you guys can use for your exam. So we have our practice text, we have our instructions. So let's get to it. Paragraph 1. So we're going to apply a bookmark in paragraph 1 by first highlighting the sentence, bookmarks help navigate documents, which is actually in paragraph 2. Bookmarks help navigate documents. And we're going to go to our Insert tab at the top, and we're going to go to the Links toolbox. There's the Links toolbox, and then we're going to select the Bookmark tool. Okay, so we're going to bookmark name it as nav1, and we're going to click Add. And then we're going to press Control-G to go to our dialog box. And we're in the Go To box, and we're going to type in nav1 Go To, and it goes straight to our bookmark. Nothing to it. And then we're going to move on to step 2, which is insert a watermark. So we've done this before, so we're just kind of going through this again. So we're going to go to the Design tab this time, and we're going to go to our Page Background Toolbox, and we're going to go to Watermark, and we're going to pick a confidential. Now we have our confidential watermark on our page. So you have there, nothing to it. And then we're going to insert the header Austin style, right? So we're going to go to our Insert tab, and we have a placeholder text. Let's see here. And it should be Company Report 2024. There it is. Company Report 2024. All right. And what we're going to do is the instructions and the text doesn't quite align, but that's okay. We found it. Company Report 2024. And we're going to go to the header and footer toolbox. Let's see here. Well, first Insert tab, then the header and footer toolbox. Header and footer toolbox. There we are. Header and header toolbox. And the header tool right here. And then choose Austin Style, which is right here. So just keep in mind that Gmetrix is going to want specific. What they tell you to use Austin, you use Austin. All right. And then we are going to, in the document title, type in Company Report dash 2024. And then we're going to go and close the header and footer. There it is. 2024. So now what I want you to do is I want you to save this as a PDF, right? So we're going to go to the File tab and go to Save As. We're going to hit the drop down right here, and we're going to go to PDF. And then we're going to hit Save. Okay. Now let's take a look here at our Gmetrix folder, and you will see the PDF in your folder. That's going to need to be submitted as well as your doc. All right. So make sure you submit your doc with the PDF. Okay. So we have this document. This document is done. So don't forget. Well, since we have this header, don't worry about putting your usual header up there. Okay. Since we have that header there. But we do have one more step. We have to open a template, right? And we've done this before in class, but we're going to go over it again. So we're going to go to File, New, and all of these are templates, right? So you can type in report, and you're going to get a bunch of report templates. You can type in resume, You're going to get a bunch of resume templates. You can type in this to a newsletter. And you're going to get a bunch of newsletter templates, right? For this one, let's go back to report. And let's see here, something that's easy. Let's do this one, report design blank. So we're going to open that one up. Create. And then right here for heading 1, let's replace the text right here with templates provide consistency. And then for the title, I want you to put your name. No biggie. Okay. That's it. Once you file, save that one too. So I wonder why it defaulted to that. I don't know. And we're going to call this, your name is fine, right? We're going to type in Gmetrix Assignment 3 template. Okay. Then you're going to hit save. So this one, you need 3 documents. You need your template document. You need the document we were working out of, which is Gmetrix Assignment 3. So you're going to need that document, and you're going to need the PDF. 3 submissions, okay? That's it. That's it for this step, these steps.